Welcome my dear students, how are you? I hope you are okay. We will solve model 3 from school book. Let's start. First question, choose the correct answer. Number 1, 3.36 kilometer equals space meter. To convert from kilometer to meter, we will multiply by 1000. To multiply any decimal number by 1000, we will move decimal point to the right 3 digits. 1, 2, and put 0. The result will be 3360. Number 2, 9 and 3 over 25, nearest to tens. Nearest to tens, it's a fraction. We will convert this fraction to decimal. To convert this fraction, multiply numerator and denominator by 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. 25 times 4 equals 100. The result will be 9.12. Nearest to tens. We will determine tens digit. We know that 2 is poor number, so the result will be 9.1. Number 3, 5 over 6 divided by 1 and 6. In the first, we should convert this mixed number to an improper fraction. Put the same denominator. 1 times 6 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. 5 over 6 divided by 7 over 6. Put the first fraction the same. 5 over 6. Exchange divided by times. And write the reciprocal of the second fraction. 6 over 7. Cancel 6 with 6. The result will be 5 over 7. Number 4, 0.312 times 100. To multiply any decimal by 100, move decimal point 2 digits. So the result will be 31.2. 312 divided by 10. Any integer number, decimal point on the right. To divide any whole number by 10, move decimal point to left 1 digit. The result will be 31.2. 31.2, 31.2, we will choose equal. The smallest number from the following is. In the first, compare between whole number. Whole number 0, whole number 0, whole number 0, whole number 1. Cancel. We will choose smallest. Whole number 0, whole number 0, whole number 0. We will compare between decimal parts. Here 3 decimal parts, here 3 decimal parts, here 2 decimal parts. So I put 0. It's 111,000. 120,000, 123,000, the smallest is 111,000. Number 6, 10 times 4.72. Move decimal point to the right 1 digit. The result will be 47.2. 100 times 0.472. Move decimal point to the right 2 digit. The result will be 47.2. It's equal. Number 7, 3/5 times 1.6 more than 1.6 times space. Cancel 1.6 from two sides. 3/5 more than space. We note that 6/10 after simplifying equals 3 over 5. 1.6 more than 3/5. 5 over 3 improper fraction more than any proper fraction. So the result will be 3/10. 3/5 more than 3/10. Number 8. the shaded part represent. We know that shaded part represent all elements in X and Y. So its shaded part represent union between X and Y. Number 9, if Y equals the set of 2, 3, and 5 intersect the set of 1, 3, and 5, then the set of 1 and 2 space Y intersect. We know that intersect represent the common element between two sets. The common elements between two sets is 3 and 5. So Y equals the set of 3 and 5. Y equals the set of 3 and 5. So the set of 1 and 2 not subset from Y. In the opposite figure, Mn equals space centimeter. Note that the radius of circle N equals 3 and the radius of circle M equals 2. Mn equals radius of circle N plus radius of circle M. So 3 plus 2 equals 5 centimeter. The length of the diameter of any circle. We know that diameter is longest chord in any circle. Diameter is chord passing through the center. The length of any chord doesn't passing through the center. As we said before, diameter longest chord in any circle. So diameter more than. Number 12, the set of 0, the set of 1, 2, 5, and 8. 0 doesn't exist in this set, so not subset. The number 736.592,000 nearest to the result 736.59 to nearest space. We note that 2 poor number. Cancel 2. There is only 2 decimal parts, so we will choose hundreds. Number 14, if 2/3 equals 16 over C, the value of C. 2 became 16. 2, as we multiply 2 by 8, we will multiply 3 by 8. So the value of C equals 3 times 8 equals 24. Another example, the second question, complete number 1. If the probability of a pupil succeed in an exam is 8 over 10, then the probability his fail equals. We know that probability of all pupils in class equals 1. If probability of succeed equals 8 over 10, then the probability of fail equals 1 minus 8 over 10. We will replace 1 by fraction, 10 over 10 minus 8 over 10. It's equals 2 tenths, 2 over 10. Number 2, if x subset from y, then x intersect y equals. X subset from y means x smallest set and y greatest set. X subset y, then x intersect y equals the smallest set x. In the opposite figure, the corresponding height, the base BC is. Corresponding height or perpendicular is AB. AB made right angle, so AB is height or AB is perpendicular on BC. The shaded part represent element belong to x and not belong to y. So shaded part represent x difference y. A circle, its radius equals 1 centimeter, then its diameter equals. Diameter equals double radius. Diameter equals 2 times r. So diameter equals 2 times 1 equals 2 centimeter. 4.6798 nearest 2000. Nearest 2000. Determine thousand digit. And note that digit on the right 8 is rich number. 8 will add 1 to 9. 9 became 10. Put 0 and carry up 1. 7 became 8. So the result will be 4.6800. Number 7, 2 and 4 times space equals 1. In the first, we should convert this mixed number to an improper fraction. Both denominators the same. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 over 4 times space equals 1. Any fraction times its reciprocal equals 1. So, the result will be 4 over 9. Number 8, 3978 divided by space equal 3.978. As we said before, any whole number, its decimal point in front it, on the right. We note that this decimal point moved to left 3 digits. So the result will be 1000. A box contains identical balls where 5 balls are white, 9 red, and 6 black. If one ball is chosen randomly, what is the probability? Probability that the chosen ball is white. Probability should be written as fraction. Probability should be written as fraction. Its denominator is all numbers in box. 5 plus 9 plus 6 equals 20. So denominator is 20. Its numerator is the number which I want. Number of white. Number of white is 5. So the probability will be 5 over 20. In its simplest form, divided by 5, the result will be 1 over 4. Another exercise, a rectangle, its length is 4.1 centimeter and its width 3.5 centimeter. Calculate its area. We know that area of any rectangle equals length times width. Area equals length times width. Length is 4.1 times width 3.5. To multiply any two decimal number, rewrite the number as whole number. 4.1, I will write it as whole number 41. Times 3.5, I will write 3.5 as whole number 35. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 4 equals 20. Don't forget 0. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. And add. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 3 plus 0 equals 3. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And bring 1 down. Don't forget decimal point. It's 2 decimal parts. So the decimal point after 2 digits, 1, 2. The result will be 14.35. Area equals 14.35 square centimeter. Don't forget the units. We finished our models. I hope you are benefit from this video. See you in another video. Thank you.